happen.
Hola, amigo.
Howdy.
Cold out at night, you know, I knew the tires pressure would be down. So I put air in them at the house, put them up to spec, and took off. And because I guess the temperature in my garage, and then got out here into the heat and the sun, I was getting gas. Went to turn the bike on, and turned the bike on, and my Chi thing went, boom, it popped up a message and went beep, 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 and it made an audible sound. I was like, what the hell's that? And it was a little tire pressure thing. My tire pressure.
Too much?
Yeah, in the back, it went up to almost 45.
Yeah.
And spec is like 42.6. I usually keep them 42, somewhere around there. So I was like, oh, okay. Chi, that's cool. And because BMW has the ability, but I don't think it tells you.
I don't think if it tells you it's
over. It tells you if it's under. And that saved me when I left the house one day with a flat tire. I pulled out and I was going down to the stop sign. It felt weird, the bike.
Yeah.
And all of a sudden it gave it a few feet to think, and then it was like, boop, pull over immediately. And I had like 20 pounds, less than 20 pounds in the tire. It had a nail, had a screw in it. Okay, here we are, part 2 of the mods for the BMW M1000R. So today we've got the Akrapovic slip-on, full Akrapovic titanium headers. Down, let me get down on my knees here. Hey, you have no oil. No oil spyglass. So there's the nice titanium headers.
Put these on too, as long as I had that off.
Oh yeah, and then got some sliders.
Yeah.
Sliders with cheese. Yeah, those are cool. And then you did the radiator guard as well. Evotech.
Yes.
Evotech right there. So yeah, that's something, if you're gonna do that, you definitely wanna do it while you've got these panels off.
I was pretty happy because I didn't have any washers or screws left over when I put stuff back on. And like, I'm working on the Ducati before, every once in a while I'd be like, where does this go?
Did you run into any of the screws? Some of the screws on my bike are a little longer than others.
They're all different, but like when I took it apart, all 3 of these I left in it and set it down.
Yeah.
I did it that way. If I knew there was going to be an issue, I did it that way.
Yeah, that's cool. So, so you haven't ridden it yet. Any issues putting the headers on anything? We saw the bloody knuckle.
No, just the knuckles. Yeah.
Everything went pretty smooth.
Doing the springs was a pain. It's hard because I didn't completely. I've seen people literally take the radiator all the way and have it hanging. I didn't. I just did the oil one. So I was up in there, and the hardest part about it, there was one spring on that side where it locks in. I couldn't see the loop, so I could and it was so hard to pull it down, and I wasn't sure when it was in. Then I'd let it off. I missed it, and it, like literally that one I was cussing. That one spring took me almost half an hour.
Oh,
I'm not kidding. The rest of them, easy. Easy.
And the radiator went in nicely?
Yeah.
No problems?
Yep.
Very good. It looks cool.
Yeah, that's one thing. Evotech, they suck with their instructions, which I mean, they don't give any. like when I'm
Step 1, search for the instructions.
Yeah, when I go to do the guards, I'll see what they have. But like the boxes, that came in just wrapped in a cardboard box. There aren't any, they don't send any instructions. So you kind of just like, okay, I hope somebody's done it before and try to look it up on YouTube.
Yeah. Yeah. Well,
sometimes it helps, sometimes it doesn't.
So we were talking earlier, I've been here for 10 minutes or so. So we've got this slip-on, and you said this one, you haven't ridden it yet, so you don't know for sure, but you said it's kind of loud.
It is, and it's supposed to be. It's like a GP can. That's why I might go back and forth with the stock one, which is still, I mean, you know, it's an Acra can. It's still a good one. But it definitely will be quieter. This is supposed to be, I think they said around 105 decibels at $6,000 on the tack. I know it's throaty.
So you might put the old one. So if you put the old one on, you have to put Do you have to do something for a hanger on here?
No.
Or
no,
it'll just go right here, that's it?
right there. That's all that holds it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, my bike, it has that, but it goes into this.
Yep. No.
Okay.
Cool.
Cool.
How it's it. They just use that one.
Very cool. So here's the stock headers with the servo guy and the cat. That thing weighs, I asked Robert how much it weighs. He said too much. It's heavy.
I'm gonna say what? Maybe 8-10 pounds.
8 or 10 pounds maybe. Yeah, we can,
all the weight is right on there.
yeah, we could look that up.
I mean,
but comparatively, those let's go on this side. Those titaniums are like,
really, it feels like it's a cardboard. It almost feels like the box is empty. It's so light when you get it.
yeah, there's
Yeah.
no cat, no servo, just titanium piping, and it is very, very light. You know, like one finger
Yeah.
balance it, no
Yeah.
problem. So we got this. Where was this? Where'd you get this?
I'll have to send you the link.
All right, this is a garage door opener, and it just really, if you didn't know it was there, you won't know it's there, and it opens both his doors.
Yeah,
And
it's like literally,
it looks
I had
nice.
it mounted and programmed in like 3 minutes. It was
Yeah.
that quick.
So if you need a garage door opener, that's cool. I'll find the link. Did you get this on Amazon or something?
No, I was looking for the one that's on this is a company called Modor, and I couldn't find
Modor?
Mo, and it's Door.
Isn't that from
It's-
Lord of the Rings? Mount Mordor?
Yeah, something like that. I don't know if they're still in business or not, because I searched them, I couldn't find them, and that's how I found that one. The one that I have on this is actually the same that I had on the Ducati.
Oh, okay.
And so I was sticking with the same one. I was going to do it with this.
Where's that one? Is that the one that goes? It's underneath the
Yeah,
seat.
it's underneath.
Yeah.
This actually is a hell of a lot easier, especially with gloves on.
Yeah. Well, you're slowing down to come up to your garage door anyway, so you can take your hand off the throttle and boop.
Yep.
That's pretty cool. How much was it?
About $50.
About 50 bucks or so.
But, you know,
Yeah, it's cool.
that's how much the other one was. The other one was like 60, 65.
And the batteries and those type of things usually last forever.
It comes with a special, see how it's got a little notches?
Yeah.
It comes with a little, here's the company. That's who makes it.
DoorMate 2.
DoorMate 2. It's got a little key in here that hooks on, and this piece spins off. That's where the nut is for the clamp, and that's how you get to the battery.
Okay.
So it's kind of
Very
cool.
cool.
And I mean, I guess you could take it off with a pair of pliers if you actually lost it, but you might end up jacking it all up. Like I said, it fits on it, and it just tightens.
Cool. A pain in the butt type of thing here. We're talking about these.
To put those on the back side of this, there are 2 bolts that go in. On the back side of the bolts, there are spacers.
Oh, yeah,
In the
yeah.
video that you could find online, the installation instructions, this spacer goes here. It has 2 dots. This one has 3 dots. None of the spacers had dots on them. There are 3 different size spacers. One biggest one next one, and these 2 are the same. I had it on and off, and and the thing is, you don't want to take all the bolts out at the same time. You drop your engine, so you actually have to pull one. You can do 2 at a time, but so I was doing that, and changing the spacers, and then back. Literally that, because there aren't any instructions. They don't send instructions.
These are the only thing he hasn't put on. These are the Evotech hand guards. Here you go, sir. Can we look and see how that's gonna sit
They will
approximately?
be in here, kind of like that, and I could still use the mirror on them. They're made for it.
Nice.
Yep.
And they have a little bit of weight to them, so that'll help with some vibration, if there's any.
Oh, there definitely is. The mirrors are still good. Actually, they're pretty good. I can see much better on those than I could on the Panigale.
Well, that'd be interesting to check out once you put them on to see if that changes that at all.
A lot of people complain about the vibration in the grips, even on the XR and this one. I'm just used to it. I'm probably used to it because of having Ducatis. I think a lot of it though is how much you're actually, if you're gripping on for your life and you're not using your legs.
Yeah, that's a big difference.
It makes all the difference in the world. My hands have never gone numb. I've got a buddy who rides until he got used to his bike. He would complain that his hands would go numb. And we actually got him the tank grip for his Ducati, and he got used to using that, and he doesn't have a problem.
All right.
Let's do this.
So let's go for a ride and check out this new exhaust system. Finished eating, had a nice hour-long ride on the bike. What are your thoughts, my friend?
I like it. It's first I was worried about being too loud, but even with the earplugs in, I could still hear the music, which is nice, and that wasn't bad. Wasn't bad at all.
So I got the brunt of it. I was behind you.
That's exactly it.
So we were just talking about this. It just shoots that noise right out back there. It's definitely louder than your XR I was mentioning. The XR sounds awesome, but this one just definitely sounds a lot raspier and a lot louder.
Well, it is. The XR though, I do have a shorty cam by Race Pro that I could put on, but I got the stock can on it.
Yeah. So any other last minute, like what's the feel? I mean, they're both inline fours. What's the feel between this one and your XR?
Oh, this thing, especially with the tune on it, the front wheel wants to come up. I'm so happy with it. You know, after having it unlocked by BMW, after getting to 600 miles, and then putting on the stage 1 and stage 2 tune, and the headers and the
Yeah, and as you were showing me at the light there, this thing red lines at 15,000.
Almost 15, yeah.
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 Oh my goodness.
It's like 14.7. It's hard to tell, but it's right at 15.
And you weren't even able to really stretch the legs on this during that trip. We didn't get a chance. We were behind cars.
About 10.
Yeah.
10 grand.
Yeah. Looks nice though. What else?
Oh, that's
ergonomics is good.
Oh yeah.
Still digging that.
Yep.
What's the feeling between that and XR? I would imagine XR is a lot more comfortable, but
it is. This isn't bad body-wise. The one thing with the XR though, definitely, is having the windscreen.
Oh yeah, you're getting full on chest.
Yeah.
Good for
the core muscles.
what do you feel it at? Where do you feel that it's getting a little bit of pressure on you? At what speed you hit it? Like anything over 70, or was 70s okay?
70's fine. Can definitely feel it at triple digits.
Yeah.
Not that I would do that.
Have you? But you haven't.
Not that I would do that.
You haven't had this on the highway yet, though, right? Have you been on the highway yet?
No, but we came back from Fredericksburg. That was a spirited jaunt.
Yeah. But just that highway groan, that constant like 80, 75, 80 mile an hour, like.
Yeah, haven't done that yet.
Yeah.
Not with this.
All right, very cool. Well, let's hear it start up, and we'll compare it to the. I think I have some old footage, pre-exhaust. All right, let's start it up. All right, my ears are bleeding. Yeah, that sounds a lot better than handing out earplugs on Halloween.
Trick or treat.
That's definitely a lot louder and sounds a lot nicer than what you get stock with this guy.
Oh yeah, stock sounds like a sewing machine.
Yeah, that's just such a huge difference. All right, well that's it from this end. Thanks for joining me, and thanks for Robert for sharing. Thanks, Robert. All his insights for that new bike, that new amazing bike, the M1000R. So we're gonna head home on from Marble Falls here on 1431, real fun road. If you ever get to Austin area, check that road out, it's a lot of fun. See you guys later, bye.